The briefcase contains the simulator with all the elements that you will need to properly use it. It has a protection with a QR with instructions. This protection must be maintained for storage. It has an accessory for evacuation and refilling of liquid. A bottle of synthetic blood, one ultrasound gel, and a box with all the accessories. Once the air has been evacuated from the simulator, it is ready for its correct use. To check that the catheter is in the IV line, we will proceed by closing the valve of one of the syringes and putting a little pressure, for example, 2 milliliters on the other. The simulator is now overpressured. Next, we will introduce the catheter. We take the IV either manually or with an ultrasound scanner. Once done, to check that the IV line has been taken correctly, we remove the back chamber of the catheter and we will see how the blood that was overpressured in the simulator refluxes.